Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show you how to make colorful vignette effect on Filmora X. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your video into timeline. Let's take a little preview. Okay, now go to effects and search border. And drag this above the video. As you can see, our border effect showing. Now double click on video and go video effects and change value like this. Change border size to 20. Change blur amount to maximum. And change opacity value to 50. Now change color of border as you like. Change second color. So as you can see, our color vignette is ready. You can choose any color as you like. And try to select bright colors for better result. So this is our effect. After changing the color, you can customize again as you wish. So that's our effect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.